In the advanced level, the children will be putting their conversations into action as they move from structured to more spontaneous forms of dialogue. Using the Color My Conversation game, the children will have an opportunity to practice their conversation skills from 3 different vantage points. In the shared topic conversations, the children will be given equal opportunities to engage in a variety of topics. Like a tennis match, the conversation will move back and forth between the conversation partners. The topics will initially be of common interest, such as sports, family, or hobbies. But then they'll move to more random or less common topics, such as sea life, current events, or, well, you decide. In this initial version, the children will have the opportunity to hone and own the conversation tools that they will have learned in the beginner and intermediate levels of the program. In my topic, the children will have an opportunity to develop their ability to hold the conversation on a topic of their choosing as the engaged listener allows them to take the lead in the conversation. In your topic, the children will hone their skills to be an engaged listener through the use of comments, questions, and nonverbal communication skills. Like Lesson 4, I think Lesson 10 is one of the most powerful parts of Color My Conversation. I love Lesson 4 because it stimulates the children's interest in wanting to learn more from their conversation partner. And I love Lesson 10 because it gives the children the tools to know how to engage in topics of either no interest or no knowledge through an exercise called Bubble Connections. Bubble connections are those things that we spontaneously do in our thoughts when we have a conversation. We may ask ourselves questions to draw on prior knowledge that we can then pull forward into a current conversation. Or we may also be thinking about questions we can ask our conversation partner just to keep the conversation going. For example, in this video, I am taking the role of a traffic controller. Now, this is not a common topic of interest. However, through the use of bubble connections, this child was able to have a great conversation with me about this occupation. Bubble connections are introduced to the child from 2 vantage points. First from her perspective and then from mine. From her perspective, she may be asking herself some questions about traffic controllers, such as, when did I last see one? Where was it? And what was happening? Or she may also be thinking of facts, opinions, and stories about traffic controllers so that she has something to contribute to the conversation on this topic. Then she's going to look at it from my perspective, and she'll be contemplating questions she could ask me to learn more about the topic. Along with the bubble connections, she will also be using her comments and the other conversation tools as she actively engages in my topic of interest. As the conversation coach, you may decide whether you want to include fiction or non-fiction topics. If you choose to use bubble connections in a fictional manner, take the time to investigate the topic. For example, in the video clip that we just watched, I was taking the role of a traffic controller. I am not a traffic controller, however, I want to make my role as believable as possible. To do this, I contacted a person in the profession to get some real-life stories. This allowed me to invest more authenticity into my topic of conversation. As I could speak more confidently about it, I could then move the conversation to a deeper, more impactful level as I attempted to capture the child's curiosity and the need to know more. Advanced level wrap-up. In the advanced level, we will have focused on moving the conversation to a deeper and more authentic form of dialogue. It's likely that you will already be starting to incorporate field trip assignments into your children's programming. The advanced level exercises will provide a wonderful opportunity to prepare the children to move from the classroom to the real world. We are now going to take a brief glimpse at the final portions of the Color My Conversation program. They are the expert level and the final 2 sections in the manual.